Welcome back to Your Money Matters. Today, we will be discussing how to make money in the stock market without doing anything. When it comes to investing in the stock market, many people believe that they need to constantly monitor the market and make frequent trades to be successful. However, that is not always true. There are passive investment strategies that can help you make money without much effort. Firstly, consider investing in index funds. Index funds are a type of mutual fund that tracks a specific index, such as the S&P 500, and mirrors its performance. By investing in an index fund, you are essentially investing in the entire market, which historically has shown to yield a return of 7 to 10% annually. Index funds are also low cost, as they have low management fees, making them a great option for passive investors. As with all investments, there is no guarantee of a return and there is the potential for a capital loss. Always consult with an investment professional and understand the risks before investing. Secondly, you can consider investing in exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs are similar to index funds but trade like stocks on an exchange. ETFs also track a specific index or sector and offer low fees, making them a great option for passive investors. ETFs are also highly diversified, reducing your risk of loss. Another passive investment strategy is to invest in dividend-paying stocks. Dividend-paying stocks are stocks that pay out a portion of their earnings to shareholders. By investing in these types of stocks, you can earn a regular stream of income without having to actively trade or monitor the stock market. If you choose to reinvest your dividends, you can potentially make even more capital gains over time. Finally, consider investing in a robo-advisor. Robo-advisors are digital platforms that use algorithms to create and manage your investment portfolio based on your investment goals and risk tolerance. Robo-advisors offer low fees and can help you build a well-diversified portfolio without having to actively manage it. In conclusion, there are many passive investment strategies that can help you make money in the stock market without doing anything. By investing in index funds, ETFs, dividend-paying stocks, and robo-advisors, you can earn a steady stream of income without having to actively trade or monitor the stock market. Remember, always do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Take care and remember that your money matters.